Kaseng TMC kemudian hakaliang persya kalong hakasineng kong pakan keta ke Sorkar jela lada kamla ban le Eiei Halor ke Kaiphod chong ka Jingdon Dewïong ubala lum jingking bat ke balai per na kajaka bala pelang ya Dewïong hapok ke dipot ka bah mauit ka bala penmiru ya kijing atetin Halor Dewïong bala di lilam da ka Coal India Limited CIL. Dr. Mukul Sangma unong ilang ke TMC ulaong palak milinti ke Sorkar ban le Eiei namar balai ka kendon arpwe jongka MMDR Act khat khandai san punyo kaya thu ya ke Jingdon kam jongki bot penyaj ban le Eiei haba la yo jingtip Halor kene ke benta. Ulaong baka Sorkar kamde ban ab yano ban ujor ijahar namar kadai ke jingle persya ke baha ban ngat hapok ke ain kumbalong ka pokso.
See, you have to be looking at from very practical angle based on the report what is coming from the ground zero. Is it a fact or not? Now, but please remember one thing. This story is about the alleged quantity of coal which has been projected as there in the particular designated depot. And we should be thankful to Shillong Times for having really gone to the ground zero, getting these whole details and indicating what exactly is there. So, therefore, this is one important aspect of journalism. Media has to be always ready to be investigative. Investigative journalism has done lots of good work and have really protected the interests of the people and the nation as a whole. So therefore, I must commend the media. And in as far as the media in Meghalaya is concerned, we have reasons to reaffirm our trust and confidence in the media. It has been vigilant, it has been assertive. I only have one complaint. Please go more repeatedly to rural areas and to western part of Meghalaya also, so that this kind of informations, which is an eye-opener for the people as a whole, can be appropriately shared in the media. Now, we expect the government to act. Why? Because please remember that Section 21 of MMDR Act 1957 is a cognizable offense. Cognizable offense. So cognizable offense requires the authorities concerned to act on the inputs. They don't have to wait for anybody to go for an FIR because it is a cognizable offense. What are those other cognizable offenses, like cases under POCSO and all? You see hyperactive police, you see hyperactive other friends who are responsible to ensure that this particular provision of law is enforced. Similarly, in this case, it should. It should. But if it doesn't happen, it will prove beyond reasonable doubt the complicity of the authorities concerned. Full stop. And when I talk about complicity of the authorities concerned, the complicity of the authorities concerned at multiple level, inclusive of all those who should take cognizance of. Okay. Now, which coal are they talking about to auction? Which coal? Okay. Who are the authorities who are assigned with this responsibility in as far as the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in respect to the illegal mining pertaining to the state of Meghalaya is concerned? Read the judgment dated 3rd July 2019 by the Honorable Supreme Court. So therefore, all this, I would like to caution everybody who are thinking that, okay, they will have immunity in spite of being in complicity in facilitating this kind of irregularity, which can have a crippling effect on the economy of the state. So therefore, let us see whether the government take cognizance of this irregularity and act upon, or otherwise we will take the government head on.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CN helpline call center